Today, we will observe the weekend rally with our best momentum trading strategy with our best TradingView indicator. We will cover everything you need, a top-down analysis from weekly to minute-based charts. Furthermore, we'll talk about entries, stop losses, and targets. If you are ready, let's do this. What a crazy weekend! All coins are rallying. A heaven for our momentum scalping strategy. We will focus on this SSV coin because it has crazy good setups one after another. Again, let's work with the top-down analysis and keep using our best indicator. When you look at this weekly chart, you can instantly see that we try to balance this gigantic weekly imbalance. This coin is obviously trying to balance itself by filling this gap. Also notice the SR flip point. This can give you an extra bias idea as your direction to move. Remember, we do not target this. These are just giving us bias ideas. With the daily chart, we can get some precise ideas about the bias and direction. We obviously balance this daily imbalance. It is very clear. If you look at the last 1 week in this asset, buyers have the full control. I would never want to short this coin if I see daily power like this. It is clear, bias was long. Okay, it is time to check our indicator. As you know, using the ICT high time frame candles gives us the power of seeing multiple time frames at once and reading its patterns. With the power of this indicator, you can see that earlier we tapped the 30-minute, 45-minute, 1 hour and 2 hour imbalances at once, and this supercharges the coin. And price switches, then rally happens. With the help of this indicator, I can see this clearly. And this morning, look what happens again. Thanks to our indicator, we supercharge exactly the same. We get full fuel for further rally. A new price switch happens. Now, do you see the power of this indicator? It helps me to find out repetitive and reusable patterns on every single asset in the world. Now, let's see what happens before the last rally in the lower time frames. Now, with the 5-minute chart, I can get a better view about closer price action. First thing that you can notice is this liquidity building above. This easily gives your inner target. Okay, good. We have the inner target in our pocket. Now, what is the significance of this yellow point here? This is the point of supercharge. It is the moment of price taps the high time frame, 30-minute, 45-minute, 1 hour and 2 hour imbalances all together at once and grabbing the rally fuel. Then notice this gigantic inner momentum imbalance. Buyers step in powerfully. This is your masterclass level rally entry. You can also find market structure breaks if you go lower time frames if you need it. But the rally was so clear here. This gives you a clean 2% gain until your inner target. We do not have high greed in these markets. We make some money and get out of the market. How about your stop losses? A tight stop loss should be placed at the imbalance, which will give you a good range against further imbalance pullback. However, a more relaxed stop loss should be under the swing point. The choice is yours. There's nothing certain in trading. We all just make decisions and manage the risks. That's it. Okay, friends, have a really good and great, nice weekend and take care of yourself. See you next time.